Hey guys, JPEX Slot here. We are going to give you 10 text effects, which are these, and we are going to show you how to use them. And first, you have to hide first layer, and then you will see thanks for download. You have to read it and then hide it, and then you can see our first eight text effect, and then the most awaited special thumbnail effect. These thumbnail effects are free to use. You can use it anywhere. And yes, these thumbnail effects are used by many YouTubers you have seen. And we are going to show you how to use them. First of all, we made this text effect in 1920 by 1080 resolution. So if you use this in any other resolution, you may face problem. Let me show you. Control N for new document. Then we are going to take 500 by 500 pixels. Then create. And I'll show you how to use them. You just have to go to a special thumbnail effect 2. You can see blue one is the effect 2. Then just Ctrl J copy and hide the original layer, and then you can change according to you, text according to you, font according to you, anything according to you. Suppose I'll go with Futura book and I'll write hello, and yes, we are going to show you how to change the color in little part of the video. You have to watch it fully. And Futura book, this effect, hello world. Yes, we have written it like this, and you just drag and drop, but not. If you drag and drop into a lesser resolution or higher resolution, you will see this. If you reduce the size, it will look like this, which is not good. So the thing you have to do is first convert the layer into a smart object, and then rasterize layer, and then you can drag and drop. Now it is like a PNG you download from internet. It can be in any size and shape. Now you can resize it as smaller or as bigger you want, according to you. And then I'll show you 3 methods to change its color. First method is go on layer style, and then go to color over there, and then choose color according to you, and then change the blend mode to color. You can see it is affecting the black color too. If you like this way, you can use this. Or the second step is just put a hue and saturation layer above it, and then move slider as you want. And yes, don't forget to clip it, because it may affect your other layer too. You can play with this. And then third and last way to change color is this, which is easy, but it's for everyone. In case someone don't know how to use it, so just double click on it and go on stop. You don't have to change black color because black is inside it, and it's main color, because if you change it like this, it will not go with the text. So you have to change blue color, and I am taking red. The second stroke is changing outside, and the inner glow I'll also take red, and then gradient overlay I'll go with same red. And it's the hardest way to change, but it is also accurate. And then the inner shadow you can take a light set of red. I'll show you where you can see that. You are seeing the outline outside the text. This is inner shadow. So we are done with this, and just click OK. And you can change it like this too. And we are going to talk about our 8 text effect. Same thing goes for them too. Let me show you. Just click on effect 4 and double Ctrl J for copying it, and change text according to you. text and font according to you. I am taking a random font, lemon milk, like this, and then just convert to smart object. Rasterize, drag and drop, and yes, you can reduce and increase size of it like this. It is not visible, so I'll press Alt backspace. It will fill the foreground color. When black color, it look nice. Now I think you know how to use this text effect. And thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. And yes, if you had any query about this pack or how to use this properly and you don't know any single thing, you can comment down below. We'll try to reply every comment. And thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thanks.